Hey there, and thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in the IMDb app on your Android phone. Dark mode helps reduce eye strain and saves battery life. If you prefer a darker theme while browsing IMDb, this guide is for you. First, open the IMDb app on your Android phone. Next, make sure you're in the Account section. Then, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on Display. Now, under the App Theme option, tap the current theme selection. Finally, choose Dark from the list. The app will switch to dark mode instantly, giving you a sleek, darker interface that's easier on your eyes. And that's it. Dark mode is now enabled in your IMDb app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.